Smart tutorials. Make a holiday cat elf. Materials: stuffing, needle and thread, straight pins, glue, felt in 6 colors: tan or orange, pink, blue or purple, yellow, white, black, and a pair of scissors. Step 1. Download the pattern at the link on this slide or in the description box below. Step 2. Cut out the pattern parts and attach them to the corresponding color felt sheets. You'll be cutting around them. You may want to pin down the larger paper pieces. The smaller ones you will need to hold in place to cut around. Step 3. Cut out all the pieces. Step 4. Sew on or glue 1. The inside of the ears, 2. The eye parts, 3. The leg stripes, 4. The hat and hat fringe to the body, front and back, 5. The nose and mouth to the face, 6. The hands and fringe to the arms, and 7. The collar and belt to the dress. Step 5. 1. Sew or glue on the eyes. Tip: use white thread to attach each eye through the black pupil like sewing on a button. It will look like a highlight. 2. Layer the front body piece on top of the back body piece. You'll be sewing them together. 3. First, sew the hat together along the edge. Leave the pink fringe loose. Next, start at point A and sew around the left side of the face. Leave an open space to put in the stuffing. You'll sew in the other ear when you close up the space. Remember to tuck in the ear and sew down. 4. Put in the stuffing. Tuck in the ear and sew up the space. Use a pencil to poke in the stuffing. Step 6. Sew or glue the shoes to the legs. Each shoe has a front and back piece to sew together around the bottom of the legs. Sew or glue the buckles and puffs to the shoes. Also, sew the 2 sides of the yellow puff to the top of the hat. Step 7. Align the dress front and back to the front and back of the cat's body. You'll be sewing around the edge. Sew the 2 sides of the dress to the cat body along the edge from the belt to the shoulders. Leave the bottom half of the skirt loose. Step 8. Add stuffing to the body opening under the skirt. You can use a pencil to poke the stuffing in. Tuck the legs and tail inside the body edge. Stitch the body opening closed with the legs and tail sewn in. Step 9. Sew on the arms. Sew the top of the shoulders to the dress. Leave the rest loose. You've made an elf!